In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a man named Anand with his small family. Anand was known throughout the village not for his wealth or status, but for his wisdom and unwavering positivity. He was a beacon of hope and inspiration, especially during times of difficulty. Anand had grown up in the village, raised by his loving parents who taught him the values of hard work, compassion, and resilience. From a young age, he showed a deep curiosity for learning and a natural inclination to help others. Despite their modest means, his parents supported his education, believing in the power of knowledge to transform lives. As Anand grew older, he developed a reputation for his keen insights and ability to offer sound advice. Villagers would often seek him out for guidance on various matters, whether personal or practical. Anand's home became a sanctuary of sorts, where people found solace in his words and strength in his presence. Anand married Meera, a kind-hearted woman who shared his values and supported his endeavors wholeheartedly. Together, they had 2 children, a son named Rohan and a daughter named Maya. Their family was close-knit and filled with love, despite facing their own share of challenges. One particularly harsh winter, the village was hit by a devastating storm that destroyed crops and left many families struggling to survive. Anand and Meera worked tirelessly to help their neighbors, offering food from their own meager supplies and organizing efforts to rebuild homes damaged by the storm. It was during this time that Anand's resilience and leadership truly shone through, inspiring others to come together and support one another. Over the years, Anand's influence continued to grow. He started organizing workshops on sustainable farming practices, teaching villagers how to maximize their yield while preserving the land. His efforts not only improved the village's economy but also fostered a sense of environmental stewardship among the residents. Anand's son, Rohan, inherited his father's passion for learning and community service. He became a teacher at the village school, educating the next generation about the importance of kindness, resilience, and pursuing their dreams. Maya, on the other hand, had a knack for storytelling and started documenting the village's history and the lessons learned from its challenges. As Anand grew older, his hair turned silver, but his spirit remained as vibrant as ever. He continued to be a source of inspiration and guidance for the village, even as he faced his own health challenges. Through it all, he maintained his positive outlook on life, reminding everyone around him that every obstacle was an opportunity for growth and learning. One day, the village celebrated Anand's 70th birthday, honoring him for his decades of service and leadership. Villagers from far and wide came to express their gratitude and share stories of how Anand had impacted their lives. It was a testament to the profound influence of one man's dedication to his community and his unwavering belief in the power of kindness and perseverance. As the years passed, Anand reflected on his journey and the lessons he had learned along the way. He realized that life was a series of challenges and choices, and it was up to each individual to embrace them with courage and optimism. His family continued to thrive, carrying forward his legacy of compassion and resilience. In the quiet moments of twilight, Anand would sit under the old banyan tree near his home, watching the sunset and feeling a deep sense of gratitude for the life he had lived. The village had transformed over the years, not just in terms of infrastructure and prosperity, but in the spirit of its people. Anand's story became a parable of hope and inspiration, passed down through generations as a reminder that with determination and kindness, even the smallest of villages could overcome adversity and flourish. This story of Anand and his family illustrates the transformative power of positivity, resilience, and community spirit in overcoming challenges and inspiring others. It shows how one person's dedication and belief in goodness can ripple through an entire community, leaving a lasting legacy of hope and inspiration for generations to come.